What's up, traders? It's Mark here coming at you with today's market recap, and another day, another wild session. Okay, I don't know why these markets are going crazy lately. All I can tell you is I love it, and you should love it too. The volatility we are seeing is a day trader's dream, ladies and gentlemen. You have to understand, people kill for the moves that we are getting these days. Okay, now to start this video, guys, what I'm going to do is show you my simple two-step process on how to get rid of your BS candlestick nonsense indicator charts and fire up the only trading indicator that you're ever going to need, and that is volume. Okay, and when you see that volume chart in just a few seconds, I can almost guarantee you guys are going to fall out of your chair when you see how powerful today's setups were on that volume chart. Okay, but first things first. Most of you guys are starting out with your free Japanese candlesticks, your Bollinger Bands, your nonsense stochastics, right? Your charts look like this. It's a complete mess, right? It's very confusing, it's very cluttered, and be honest, you can't make out heads or tails of where does a trend start and where does a trend end, right? So your first step is to transform this chart right here into this chart right over here. Okay, this is the clean chart. This is what I call the price action chart, or what many people refer to as the price chart, which is a lot different than a time-based chart, right? The reason these candlestick charts and indicator charts look so ugly and, frankly speaking, quite awful is because these are time-based charts, whereas professional charts look a little bit more like this, which are considered to be price-based charts. These are not time-based, right? That's why they look so attractive, it's because they're not time-based charts, right? But we're still not done. Now we have to merge price charts with volume analysis. How do we do that? Well, what you need to do is go to your settings and find this build right here, the volume accelerator. Okay, this metric right here is, in my opinion, the world's most powerful volume-based analytical tool that I think does a fantastic job of showing you the starting points of trends. That's all that matters, folks, right? We need to identify the starting point of a trend in order to make money trading the market. So once you locate this tool, all you have to do is layer onto the chart, hit the OK button, and kaboom, you're done with step number 2. Okay, your chart should now look like this as opposed to this. Make sense? And a clean chart should look exactly like this, right? Where the sell signals and the buy signals are very easy to spot, they're very easy to identify, and the direction that the market is trending in is very easily visible to you, right? For example, over on the left here, where the volume indicator turned red, right in this section here at this exact moment in time, about 9 o'clock in the morning, what are we doing? Well, we are now looking out for short selling opportunities. We're not a buyer. If you tried to buy the market today while the volume was red, shame on you, right? And by that same token, on the flip side, this moment in time over here, where the volume indicator now changes from red into green, well, from this point on and for the rest of the day, we are buyers, ladies and gentlemen. And if we're buyers, what that means is if the volume indicator is green, we are not looking for any shorts. We are either long this market or we're out. We are never going to trade against the color. Does this make sense, folks? Okay? Because I guarantee you, a lot of you guys who were trading your candlestick garbage today, you got twisted up today, right? You either got chopped around today, or even worse, you were doing the exact opposite that you should have been doing, right? So that's why I like this volume indicator, guys. I just feel it does a really, really good job of helping you predict the overwhelming trend of the day, right? And ladies and gentlemen, to bring this home, if all you did was potentially focus on the color change, right? Potentially taking this short, milking it all the way down, then reversing yourself and going long, milking that all the way up. Well, guys and gals, that was a 600 pips / ticks potential from today's session by doing nothing more than following a simple color changing volume indicator, aka a volume metric tool. And guys, today was actually the dream setup. Why was it a dream setup today? Well, This type of trading session is what we look for every day, all the time, where our software very accurately predicted a huge drop. This was a huge drop, a beautiful short opportunity right here from the high to the low, and we also caught the intraday reversal as the market bounced from the low back to the high. Makes sense? That's why I call today's session a wild roller coaster session. I feel like I'm saying this now on a daily basis. Congrats to every single one of you guys out there who caught this huge 600 pip, maybe even more, 600 pip, 600 tick move, and in some cases closer to 800 ticks, right? But yeah, guys, I hope you are now starting to see the power of volume analysis when you combine it with price analysis, and these charts are really on the cutting edge of combining price analysis with volume analysis. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.